Guys, and welcome. In this video I will show you how to automatically turn on light or dark mode appearance in iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's get started by going to the settings, and here in the setting what you need to do is scroll down until you see the display and brightness. Just simply tap on it. Here you can see the automatic button. You can simply tap on it and the automatic appearance will be applied. Now if you want, you can tap on the option and then tap on custom schedule, and here you can just type your timing. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.